Platform. Please pay attention to
seats like at the cinema. They have seats like facing the trees. Guess where I am. Hasn't even been 24 hours. It's not as good as yesterday's one. The Maybird is because I'm getting like used to it and I've had one like every day for the past like 4 days. Might try one tomorrow. Oh my god, it's like these robes for rice crackers. Okay, the vintage stores in Japan are insane. Like, okay, I need to leave before I literally buy everything. And I see shaved ice. Okay, so you can't tell, but it literally goes on for ages, like, and it's on here too. Hello. It's just insane. Like, never-ending tunnel of shops. I've just bought like 3 things, and I feel like once I buy something, like I can't stop. So I need to leave. Both this one, second Adidas like reworked shirt. And this one, it says the Met. Might just get it. Basically, I've just been like sitting in my room doing nothing for like the past 3 hours. My hostel has a curfew until like 11 PM. So I want to do something, but I don't have time to go to a temple. So I'm just going to run through this mall really quickly. I don't know what I'm doing. Should I get some of Nana's recommendations? Literally everywhere I look there's shaved ice. Like everywhere I go there's shaved ice. I need to just like shut my eyes the whole of this trip. Oh my god, there's like a huge supermarket, which is crazy because I've only seen like 7-Elevens here. So I just go in. I have like 30 minutes until my hotel closes. Roasted rice tea. I feel like it's all popping off, like everyone has just like hectic energy like me at this time. need to buy some snacks because tomorrow I might get up really early to go to this bamboo forest. I mean, I'm saying this now, but I'll probably sleep. I feel like I need a vegetable, like just a single vegetable, because I've had so much shaved ice today. It's like, you know, in Finding Nemo, like when the girl has the fish. I kind of want to buy it. This supermarket is giving me so much energy. I'm never going to be able to sleep. I don't know if it's the music or I don't know. It's just all the colors. Okay, I'm so not excited to go back to the hotel now. Cool, I want to go to like a temple or something, but I don't know what to do. It's like I'm being tested like every 5 minutes now. It wasn't happening before. Every 5 minutes there's shaved ice in front of me. What's up? So I'm back in my room. I showered really quickly. It was super busy, kind of awkward, because you have to be like naked in front of like these random like tourists. But it's fine. There's like a hot bath and stuff, which is cool. Today was like, what did I do? I feel like all I did was like get the noodles in the stream, and I feel like I'm supposed to like go see temples and museums and stuff, but because I'm traveling solo, I can literally choose what I want to do. Tomorrow I'm gonna go see a bamboo grove and stuff. I'm gonna go to a bamboo forest. I kind of want to wake up early to do it, but I don't know if I have the strength to do it. I love Japan. I want to move here. I want to watch a Studio Ghibli movie tonight just to really be in the mood of Japan. And I need to tidy up my room as well. Like, I didn't know that the cleaners were gonna... And so I left this morning to go to the noodle thingy catching place. Anyways, good night. I hope you enjoyed, and if anyone's watching and you haven't visited Japan, visit Japan. Bye.